Hello children, last time we have studied the equations of motion. One of them was V is equal to U plus AT, which gives the final velocity in terms of the initial velocity, acceleration and time. And another was S, the displacement, is average velocity, that is U plus V divided by 2 into time. Now, we will derive the next two equations of motion using these two equations. So, first of all, S is equal to U plus. Now, for V, I am going to substitute U plus AT. So, U plus AT divided by 2 into T. So, what will you get? U plus U is 2U plus AT divided by 2 into T. What I have done here, for V, I have substituted U plus AT. So it becomes U plus AT upon 2. So U plus U is 2U plus AT upon 2 into T. Now, I will separate this out. So 2U upon 2, that is U, plus AT upon 2, that is half AT, into T, open out the bracket. So what did you get? S is equal to UT plus half AT square, which is the next equation of motion, and this will give the displacement in terms of the initial velocity, time and acceleration. Okay, so now let us come to the next equation of motion. So again, consider the formula for acceleration. What is acceleration? Change of velocity divided by time. So final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Now, what I will do is, in this equation, I will make time a subject, that is T is equal to V minus U divided by A. I made T a subject and I am going to substitute this again in the equation of displacement. So S is equal to U plus V upon 2 multiplied by, for T, I will put V minus U upon A. Now, in mathematics, you have the factorization formula. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So here, in the numerator, V plus U into V minus U, that will become V square minus U square divided by 2A. So if I cross multiply, I'll get 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So we get v square is equal to u square plus 2as, and that is the next equation of motion. So let us just go through all the equations of motion once. So what is the first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at, which gives the final velocity in terms of initial velocity, acceleration and time. The next one is S is equal to u plus v divided by 2 into t, where what is u plus v divided by 2? That is the average velocity multiplied by the time. The next equation is v square is equal to u square plus 2as, which gives the relationship between final velocity in terms of initial velocity, acceleration and displacement. And S is equal to ut plus half at square which is the relationship between the displacement in terms of the initial velocity, time and acceleration. Now take for example an object starts from the rest and accelerates uniformly at 1.2 meters per second square. Find its displacement after 2 seconds. So mark the important things given in the problem. The object starts from rest. Now the object starts from rest means obviously what is given to you? The initial velocity u is equal to 0. It accelerates at a uniform rate of 1.2 meter per second square. So A is equal to 1.2 meters per second square. U is 0 meters per second, and the time is given to you. You want to find out the displacement after 2 seconds. That means t is equal to 2 seconds given to you, and you want to find out displacement means obviously you want to find out s is equal to how much. Now, which equation will give you the relationship between s, u, a and t? Yes, obviously it is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now, u is 0, t is 2, half, a is 1.2 and t square, that is 2 square. So 0 into 2 is 0, so half into 1.2 into 4. So 4 and 2 cancels. Obviously we'll do it on the calculator. So 1.2 into 2, that is 2.4 meters. That means the displacement of this object after 2 seconds will be 2.4 meters. So this was just a problem I solved with you to make you understand how to use these equations, but obviously in the next class we are going to solve more problems on these equations of motion. Okay, we share understanding this. Thank you children, enjoy the day, bye.